Hot summer days can be a challenge, but with a few simple tips, you can survive and thrive during this scorching season. Firstly, it's essential to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps replenish lost fluids and keeps your body cool. Secondly, seek shade whenever possible to avoid prolonged exposure to the sun's harmful rays. Wearing lightweight, loose-fitting clothes made from breathable fabrics can also help keep you comfortable. Don't forget to apply sunscreen frequently to protect your skin from sunburn. Additionally, try to schedule outdoor activities early in the morning or late in the evening when temperatures are cooler. Finally, enjoy cool treats like ice cream or frozen fruit to beat the heat. By following these simple guidelines, you'll be able to not only survive but also enjoy the summer season to its fullest.